Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute and easy Christmas ornament. We have a cute zigzag pattern and it's so easy to make and fits your ornament just right. I have a round ornament and a flat oval shaped ornament, and this pattern works for both. These bulbs measure about a little over 3 inches, 3 1/4, 3 1/2, something like that. But the pattern will stretch over it and fit it just right at the top. So let's get started. For this project, you're going to need a size H crochet hook and medium size 4 yarn in 4 colors. And your base color is just going to be white, and then pick 3 colors that you like, and you see you can make them in just a bunch of different color patterns that are really cute. This is great for sparkly yarn too, so go ahead and pick your colors and meet me right back. To begin, we're going to make a magic circle and chain 2, and we're going to work 12 half double crochets into our circle. And pull your circle to close and slip stitch to join. And now we're going to chain 2 and work 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. Now I'm going to slip stitch to join, and then I'm going to add our green color. I'm not going to chain anything for this round. Instead, I'm just going to work directly into the first stitch. We're starting with our zigzag pattern, and we're going to work 2 double crochets into the first stitch. And I noticed by not chaining at the beginning, it helps with the zigzag pattern to keep it going and not create, if you chain it, it just looks kind of weird. So we're going to skip the next stitch and we're going to work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Skip the next stitch, work 2 double crochets into the next, and we're just going to keep working in this way all the way around for this round. Now we're going to slip stitch to join, and we're going to add our next color. Do not chain. We're going to work now directly in between our double crochet cluster from the previous round. We're just going to work right in between these 2 double crochets, and we're going to work 2 double crochets. And now we're going to keep going and work 2 double crochets in between those 2 double crochets all the way around. Now we're going to slip stitch to join, and now we're going to add our red color. And again, we're going to work 2 double crochets in between our 2 double crochet cluster from the previous round. We're going to do that all the way around, and you'll start to see our pattern take form. And now I'm just going to slip stitch to join. And that is our round 3 of color. And what we're going to do is just repeat the last 3 rounds again, and we're going to switch to green, light green, and then red, or whatever your 3 color choices are. And I haven't been fastening these off because when I get to I find it easier when I get to the next round, I can just pick up the next color I need, slip it on, and continue to work around. And so repeat your next 3 rounds of your colored rows, and I will meet you right back. So I just ended my 3rd round of my color. I'm going to switch back to the white. And now I am going to chain 2, because now we're going to work just in the stitches themselves. So we're going to work a half double crochet and half double crochet 2 together. Half double crochet and half double crochet 2 together. And we're just going to work in this way all the way around for this round. So half double crochet and half double crochet 2 together. Half double crochet, half double crochet 2 together. And as soon as we get about halfway, I'm going to flip everything inside out, because I have all these ends. And you can weave in all the ends, or because it's on the inside and nobody's going to see it, we can go ahead and just knot, take 2 strands, and we can knot them. And just snip them. So nobody's going to be seeing the inside, so it is okay if it's not perfect, and this just saves you a bit of time anyway. So why not? Okay. And that one I'm just gonna snip shorter, and we're gonna flip it back right side out. And this is where we can also add our bulb. So now I'm going to take my bulb and just slide it in. I'm going to put my hook back on. Looks like some stitches popped out. That's okay, because we're just going to continue working the round. So we're going to work a half double crochet, half double crochet 2 together, and this is easy to do over the bulb. And 2 half double crochet together. Half double crochet, half double crochet 2 together, half double crochet, and half double crochet 2 together. Okay, and now we're going to slip stitch to join, chain 2, and now we're going to work 2 half double crochets together all the way around. And we're going to slip stitch to join. And we're going to fasten off, leaving a long tail. And we're going to get our tapestry needle. And now we're going to weave in and out around the top to secure everything. It should have a nice snug fit as it is. And we're just going to go around the entire top of our ornament here and weave in our end. And when you feel it's nice and secure, you can fasten that off. And there we have our ornament. It fits super nice. It looks great, fun, and colorful. And just to finish it off, you can take a piece of yarn or twine or ribbon and cut a long piece, probably about 10 inches or so, and you can either pull it through and tie it at the top, or you can fold it in half and put one end through and then pull through the two pieces of that loop, and you can just knot it at the top. And trim your ends. And there you have the top part to hang your ornament. And another cute thing I like to do is to grab a Sharpie. And with your Sharpie, you can just write on the very top of it a little message, your initials. I'm going to write the year 2025, and that's just a cute little detail you can add. I hope you liked making this ornament. There's all kinds of different colors that you can make with this pattern. I will post the written pattern in the description to my blog for the full written pattern. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.